Alright, scene has a really nice look to it. That's really funny. Mm. Um, yeah, so I think the look of the render is really good. Um, got something. It's just struggling with some of this reflection stuff. You could try upping the anti-aliasing quality of the specularity and see if that helps. Um, maybe test a handful of frames. Um, there's some pop here that kind of caught my eye. Yeah, do you see that on the arm? I don't know what happened there, so you might try to fix that in animation. Um, but yeah, generally, I think this came together nicely. The walk's got a little kind of a right there. It's a bit abrupt, and but it's all right. Yeah, really good. Um, oh, it's just it's not opening your file. It's oh, sorry, it's just not finished yet. Um, yeah, see if the speculator thing helps with that little flickering on those chairs, and then but just by upping that some. Oh, his belt got left behind all of a sudden. That's weird. Where was that pop with the arm? Oh, there it is. We could try to figure out what's going on there. I think it's the IK switch is happening too quickly. I think it's happening over one frame, and it should be more gradual. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening. So if we take this, move it back a bit, so that IK switch blend is happening. Oh wow, that's not so great. What's happening there? Let's try and see. I think it might be because of this thing. No. See what that looks like from your shot camera. Yeah, not so great. Why? I'm just wondering if we zero this out here and then do that, and then I'm just gonna put that same one here and here. See if that still does. Yeah. Oh no, it's still doing it. Not really clear why that's happening. Just as a test. Oh, maybe it's something with the elbow. Let's. Oops. I'll just middle mouse click here and put the same one there and see if it has something to do with the elbow. No, it's still flipping. That shoulder is still going a bit crazy. But this by itself seems okay. What if this is higher? I'm just gonna middle mouse click here instead of keyframe and here. Oops. Oh. Just replacing all these keyframes. Maybe it's a little overextended. I think that's the problem. Actually, yeah. I think the problem is it's overextended beyond its reach, and that's why it's kind of freaking out. So maybe you need to just scooch the body a little closer. Let me just reopen this real quick. Well, but maybe we could actually solve it. If that's the case, we should be able to solve it. Oh yeah, well, it's okay. So first thing I had to spread these out. And then I had this other weird problem. So to solve that, I'm thinking maybe if we move this closer. Oh, because it's not. It's worse. That's very strange. I think we need to just start with these. Let's get rid of these keyframes and put these at 0. Well, even with those just at 0, it's still, that transition is pretty crazy. Just kind of experimenting with what's going on here. I think maybe the thing to do would be to get it do IK earlier. I mean, this is definitely too low down here. This should be up at the level of his elbow, so that might be a piece of the problem. But I think maybe switch to IK much earlier, um, and then maybe you won't have that problem. That would be my suggestion. And then delete out the rest of the FK keyframes.